desire. Oh, I'm on fire.
That's so good.
Hey, little girl, is he good to you? Can he do to you the things that I do? Oh, no. I can take you high. Sometimes it's like someone took a knife, baby, edgy and dull, cut a 6-inch valley through the middle of my soul. At night I wake up with the sheets soaking wet and a freight train running through the middle of my head. Only you could cool my desire.